Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check Spotify account details. So for this you will the first step is to must open the Spotify app. So right now here you will go in the top left corner of profile icon. So from there you will just click to profile. So here you will see the settings. You will just click to account. So here is your account detail, only username, because you will now on in free plan. So when you buy a premium plan, so you will be add more account details like email and phone number and password. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.